Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you guys how to harvest seeds from your marigolds. Marigolds are good plants to have in your garden. They keep certain pests away like mosquitoes, nematodes, and they attract bees, butterflies, and ladybugs to actually come and eat away the bad pests. So if you stay tuned, I will show you how to get those seeds out of the seed pods, out of your plants. And these are supposed to be the marigolds that I have in the front, but I have no yellow ones, so I don't know what that is. These are the ones that I grow from seed each year, and this is what the seeds look like. So, and we're gonna go pick some out of the garden and save money instead of buying seeds each year. Yes, you can buy seeds for a quarter to $5 or probably more or whatever, but to save your own seeds and just grow your seeds is always a plus. So let's get to it. So instead of waiting for the whole season, because these can bloom from spring to fall, you can come out when it's time to deadhead your plant and just pick out these old spent blooms, and they're going to be right in these back parts. So let's get to a table and show you how to get them out. So I'm not exactly at a table, but my camera's gonna die and I want to hurry up and make sure I get this to you. You just open it up and you just want to use the old spent blooms that you would basically usually deadhead off your plant and take them out. And there's so many in there. So just one bloom head will get you this many seeds, and it is that easy, guys. And then I just put mine in like an old envelope or envelopes and label marigolds. So yeah, real easy concept. Hope you guys are into keeping your seeds. And like I said, these bloom from spring to fall. See how that came off real easy. Spring to fall. And they need full sun, moderate water. They can do good in dry environments. If you don't water, they are very forgiving. Water them, they'll come back. Some of my favorite plants to grow. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And come back and see me as always. And that's from 3 dead blooms. Goodbye, guys.